Have you ever wondered how some people command respect without uttering a word? It's all about mastering the art of silence. These individuals possess a quiet strength that radiates through their actions, not their words. It's a fascinating paradox, isn't it? The power to influence and command respect through the art of silence. In a world where everyone seems to be shouting to be heard, the quiet ones often stand out. But how do they do it? How do they command such respect without saying much? Over the next few minutes, we're going to unravel this mystery. We'll explore the importance of eye contact, the power of a calm personality, and the impact of slow, controlled movements. We'll also delve into the art of avoiding unnecessary drama, emotional control during adversity, and the resilience that comes from within. So, are you ready to harness the power of silence and command respect without saying much? Join us as we delve into the world of silent power and respect. Now, let's turn our gaze to the first tip: eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful tool that can establish connection and command respect. It's a subtle art, an unspoken language that conveys so much. When you make direct eye contact, it shows you're engaged, you're focused, and you're someone who's not easily swayed. Psychologists often delve into the profound impact of eye contact. It's not just about looking someone in the eye, it's about the intention behind it. Eye contact can exude confidence, show empathy, and establish authority. It's a silent assertion of your presence, a declaration that you're here, you're aware, and you're not to be taken lightly. But remember, there's a fine line between maintaining eye contact and staring. It's about balance. Hold your gaze just long enough to make an impression, but not so long that it becomes uncomfortable. It's about showing respect while commanding it. Also, it's important to note that eye contact is more than just a sign of confidence. It's a sign of honesty. It's a non-verbal cue that you're genuine, that you're not hiding anything. So the next time you find yourself in a situation where you wish to command respect, let your eyes do the talking. Hold that gaze, show your confidence, and watch as the room shifts around you. Remember, your eyes can speak volumes even when your lips remain sealed. Moving on to the next two tips: a calm personality and slow, controlled movements. These two aspects are vital in portraying a strong and respected persona. Let's delve a bit deeper. Firstly, a calm personality. When you're calm, you're in control. You're not letting your emotions run wild and dictate your actions. Instead, you're demonstrating that you can handle whatever comes your way with grace and composure. This is a trait that many people admire and respect. When you're calm, you're seen as reliable and dependable, someone who can be trusted in any situation. Now, let's talk about slow and controlled movements. This doesn't mean you should move like a sloth, it means you should be deliberate, intentional. Each movement should show thoughtfulness and precision, not haste or uncertainty. This is another trait that people respect. It demonstrates that you're not easily rattled or thrown off balance. It shows your confidence and control over yourself and your surroundings. Think about it, who would you respect more? Someone who's always rushing around, always seems to be on edge, or someone who moves with purpose, who's calm and collected, who seems to have a handle on things no matter what's thrown their way? By mastering these traits, you can command respect without uttering a word. Now, let us tackle the next two tips: avoiding extra talk or drama and emotional control. You see, there's an art to knowing when to speak and when to stay silent. The world is riddled with noise, with chatter, with drama. But the quiet individual, the one who commands respect, he knows how to navigate this sea of sounds. He understands the value of his words, and thus, he chooses them wisely. He avoids getting entangled in unnecessary talk or drama, because he realizes that every word he utters is a reflection of who he is. By avoiding superfluous chatter, you're not just preserving your energy, but you're also creating an aura of mystery around yourself. You're making others eager to hear what you have to say. And when you do speak, your words carry weight because they're not lost in a sea of pointless prattle. Now let's move on to emotional control. Emotional control doesn't mean suppressing your feelings. It's about understanding them, managing them, and expressing them appropriately. It's about being the calm in the storm. When others are losing their heads, you remain composed. You're the rock that others can lean on, the constant in a world of chaos. Emotional control is a sign of maturity, of wisdom. It's a trait that commands respect because it's difficult to achieve. It requires self-awareness, patience, and a deep understanding of oneself. It means you're not ruled by your emotions, but rather you rule over them. And here's a little secret. Emotional control and avoiding unnecessary talk go hand in hand. When you're in control of your emotions, you're less likely to be drawn into drama. You're able to step back, assess the situation objectively, and choose your words and actions wisely. Mastering these traits will make your silence speak louder than words. So consider this. How can you practice more emotional control in your daily life? How can you reduce unnecessary talk or drama? Ponder on these questions and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. In our next segment, we'll delve into the final tip, resilience. But for now, remember, your silence can be your greatest strength. Finally, the last tip, resilience. This trait is often overlooked, but it's a cornerstone of commanding respect, especially for those of us who prefer to let our actions do the talking. Resilience is about the ability to bounce back from adversity, to get up when you've been knocked down, and to face challenges head-on without flinching. Think of resilience as a silent roar, a clear message to those around you that you're not easily swayed or beaten. It's a testament to your strength, your perseverance, and your steadfastness. It's about showing that though you may be quiet, you're unyielding, you're tough, and you're not one to be taken lightly. Resilience transforms your silence from a perceived weakness into an undeniable strength. It's a quiet but powerful statement of your character, and it commands respect from those around you. By being resilient, your silence can become your strength. We've covered a lot today, but remember, respect is earned, not given. We've talked about the power of eye contact, the cool confidence of a calm personality, and the impressive impact of slow, controlled movements. We've also discussed the importance of avoiding unnecessary drama and maintaining emotional control in difficult situations. And of course, we've touched on the cornerstone of it all, resilience. These traits aren't developed overnight, but with practice and patience, you'll find that people will start to respect you more, even if you're the quiet type. If this video resonated with you, give us a like and subscribe for related content. Are you finding one tip more effective than the others? Or perhaps you've discovered your own methods for commanding respect. For more tips on how to command respect and be silently attractive, don't forget to watch our video on how to be silently attractive. Remember, your silence can be your power. Until next time, stay silent, stay strong.